In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subtask in Smartsheet. We'll walk through this process from start to finish, so even if you're new to Smartsheet, you'll be able to follow along easily. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn regular rows into structured subtasks under a main task, which is really helpful for organizing projects and breaking work into smaller, manageable pieces. First, make sure you have your Smartsheet open in grid view, since that's where you'll be creating your subtasks. Look for the row where you want to add subtasks. This will usually be your main task, like website launch or marketing campaign. Directly under that main task, click into the first empty row in the primary column. This is the column that usually holds the task names or descriptions. Go ahead and type in the name of your first subtask. For example, you might type something like design homepage, write copy, or prepare launch email. Press enter to move to the next row and continue typing in the rest of your subtasks, one per row, directly under that main task. At this stage, all of these rows are still regular tasks. We haven't turned them into subtasks yet. The key is that they are listed directly beneath the main task you want them to belong to. Once you've finished typing all your subtask names, you'll need to highlight them. To do this, click on the row number for the first subtask, then drag your mouse down to select all the rows that should become subtasks. You'll see those rows become highlighted, which means they're all selected and ready for the next action. Now look at the toolbar above your sheet and find the indent icon. It usually looks like a small arrow or line moving to the right. With all your subtask rows still highlighted, click that indent icon once. As soon as you do this, you'll notice that the selected rows shift slightly to the right, and the row above them becomes their parent row. This parent row is now your main task, and the indented rows beneath it are your subtasks. You can collapse or expand the parent row to hide or show the subtasks, which really helps keep large sheets clean and easy to read. If you ever need to change your mind, just select the subtasks again and click the outdent icon to move them back. And that's all there is to it. That's how you add subtasks in Smartsheet.